Hello, let's talk today about this Blink outdoor camera. This is a battery powered security camera. Okay, I have here, I got it from Amazon and it's pretty good. It has this 2 years battery life. So basically you have a battery that you put here inside. It lasts for 2 years. It's weather resistant. It works with day night. So day night feature, two-way audio and motion detection. And you can use Alexa to control this camera too. If you're on your cell phone, all right? So let's just unbox it. So it comes with this quick start guide that you can download your app. And here is the camera itself. So here we go. Let's just remove it from the box. And here we have it. It's a Blink camera. So here you have the lens and microphones and sensor. It works pretty well. And here you can charge it. Just plug the cable here, and here you can open the camera, right? And just show how it works. I have another model, so I know how it works. So basically you need to use this tool to put here, and then you can open like this, right? Just turn anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, and here you go. You can open. If you want to have like some help open it, you just use this tool as well to pull like this, right? It's not good enough yet. Let me just turn a little bit more. And here we have it, right? You can just open, and I can put the batteries here. Those are the batteries that they say is gonna last for 2 years, right? And you just put the battery here and you close it again like this with this tool. It's pretty easy to do, right? You just keep turning here until you see that's tighten. Here we go. Good to go. Put that back in place. I didn't know if you're gonna lose this one sometime if you keep doing this too much, but you can put that way. And this is also used to put this mount here. Let me just show you, right? You have the mount. If you wanna use the mount, you're gonna stick this to a wall, of course. Oops. There we go. Then you're gonna put like this, and you're ready to go. Put into a wall like this, right? So here you have it. That's the camera, and here is a module. You use this module to connect to the camera. So basically, you have LEDs here to show that it's connected to the Wi-Fi and is also powered. It's a Blink Sync module. And here you can connect a USB to record here instead of recording to the cloud. Here is also you can power the device, right? So it's a module. You connect this to your Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, and then you connect the camera to this device. So basically they work together, and the camera connects to the device and send the images to be recorded on a hard drive, on a USB device that you put here. You can put external hard drive or a pen drive, whatever you want, right? And what else I have here? This is the power adapter. Of course, you need to come with power adapter and the cable. And of course, they bring like some screws so you can stick this mount into place. This one, right? And it also comes with the batteries, which is pretty rare on some cameras. This one comes with the batteries. Just remove from the box. Here we go. And here we have it, right? So basically that's what comes in the box. You have the quick start guide, you have the batteries, the cables, and the power adapter. Mount, the tools, everything that you need to get this installed and working, right? That's it, guys. So just a quick unbox. If you like this camera, just get yours on Amazon.